So, hello children, I'm very sorry we couldn't have our live session today. I don't know, there is like a problem with this platform. I already reported this issue to the IT team, so I'm just waiting for their reply. But I'm pretty sure we're going to start, or we need to use another platform that is GoToMeeting. I'm having some issues with GoToMeeting, so I'm just waiting for their instructions to launch this with you guys. I'm so sorry. And so the idea I had for you today was to reflect on and to explain the expectations for the student-led conferences, and especially the day 2 activity that I posted on Seesaw today. I'm really happy to see that some of you yesterday posted your reflection and you already chose your ATLs and your learner profile. I'm still missing some people like Amir. I'm still missing Sheikha's reflection. I'm still missing Sarah's. I'm still missing Iksan's. I'm still missing Amelia's reflection. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm still missing Abdurrahman's reflection on the ATLs and the learner profile. Guys, this is something really important for the school and for your parents and for me as well. This is a reflection of all your progress and the development of your skills in grade 2. So this is a very serious assignment. So today we're going to do the second part of it, and the second part is a little bit easier than what you did yesterday. Yesterday, I think that was the most difficult one, is trying to choose the 2 attributes and the 2 skills. But today is a little bit easier. So what is the assignment about? So if you go to activities, you're going to find this assignment. The title is Student-Led Conference Day 2 Activity. And this is what you need to do. Today you're going to explain why you chose those 2 ATL skills and 2 learner profile attributes. You need to record different reasons, and you're also asked to find some work that shows you demonstrated those skills. This might be a project you're working on at home, or some work from your Seesaw journal. It doesn't have to be something related to inventions. If you just check your Seesaw from the beginning of the year, you're going to find lots of activities we have done together. So, or maybe you can post something you have been working at home during this remote learning experience. So this is what you need to do. Again, what I want you to do is to go over this presentation we have here. I want you to read it on your own pace. I want you to understand. I want you to reflect. I want you to think about each one of those boxes and the statements we included there, for research, for thinking, for communication skills, for social skills, and self-management skills. Once you do that, I want you to choose those 2 that most of you already chose. And then I want you to look at this, I want you to watch this video, and it's kind of like nice to watch because it's a song that is about the learner profile attributes. And then I want you to choose 2 of those attributes. This is something you're really familiar with because you've been talking about these things pre-K, I guess. So once you have this, once you read this again, what I want you to do is to open the template. And here we have the template. This template, and I want you to be very careful because it's not only one slide. There is not only one slide. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 slides to work on. So the first slide is about ATL skill number 1. So this is the first one you chose. Let's suppose I chose communication skills. And what I want you to write down here is 3, 4, or 5 reasons that support this selection. So I think I have improved in communication skills because, number 1, I have blah, 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 blah. Number 2, I have blah, 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 blah. Number 3, blah, 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 blah. Number 4, and number 5. At least I want you to support your decision or your selection with 3 reasons. I don't want you just to write down 1 reason, because if you have improved a lot on these, it's because you have many reasons about that. Okay? So at least 3 reasons. Miss Grace, what if I have more than 4 or 5 reasons? Great, much better, okay? So you just write them down here. Then once you finish that, let's suppose I was working in communication skills. Now I click on the next slide, and then the next slide is, I don't know, research. And then again, I write down, this is kind of tricky, so you write down reason number 1. I have blah, 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 okay? And again, 3, 4, or 5 reasons for that. If you don't want to write it down, there is another option. I don't want you to start recording a lot, because sometimes it's easier for you to write down your ideas, because then you need to create your video and it's easier for you to have them like if you are able to see them in a visual way rather than in an audio way. Or there is another option. You can write them down on a piece of paper. I know some of you prefer doing that, and that's okay. So you actually just take a picture. You just use this icon here. And then if you have an iPad, you just take the picture of it, and then you just put it here in this kind of frame. Okay? You include your reasons here. Same happens for the learner profile attribute number 1. Let's suppose you say, I don't know, thinker. Then you write 3 or 4 or 5 reasons for you, so that you support the idea that you're a thinker right now. And same for the learner profile attribute number 2. So the next one, I don't know, let's say balanced. So you write down the reasons why you think you're balanced. Remember, and please remember, because some of you are actually always following instructions, but there are other people that don't follow instructions at all, and that really concerns me. So remember, and again, 1, 2, 3 reasons at least, or 4 and 5 reasons if you want to add more ideas, okay? But at least 3 reasons for this slide. At least 3 reasons for this slide. At least 3 reasons for this slide. And at least 3 reasons for this slide, okay? This is the only thing you need to do for today. You also have RAS kits, but actually you don't take more than 15 minutes doing the RAS kits. But I want you to focus your attention on this work today. Please, 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 okay? Not only the same 5 or 6 people that are always posting things on time, but actually I'm very proud of you guys that you're always trying your best. But I don't have 6 students in 2B. I have 14 students in 2B, okay? And this is a very important assignment. As I was telling you at the beginning of the video, this is not only for Miss Grace, this is for you and for your parents and for Miss Grace, okay? This is something that we're going to work together, because this is your student-led conference. So I want you to try your best, put your best effort on this task. So, and again, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Right now I'm a little bit frustrated because we couldn't have our live session. I really wanted to go over this with you together, but I don't know. There's nothing I can do about it right now. I'm just waiting for the IT team to help me out. Okay. So I'll let you know tomorrow. I'll share you a new link. If I don't get any answer or any reply from the IT team, so let's try with this platform tomorrow again. And if it doesn't work, so we need to do something else. But no worries. I'll try to do my best to be able to see each other in a live session. Okay. Thank you very much, as always, for all your support, all your patience and understanding. Don't forget to work on this. I'm seeing really good reflections from those people that already started posting things. And don't forget, please, at least 3 or 4 or 5 reasons for each one of the ATL skills and the PYP attributes. Thank you very much. I love you and have a great day today.